Hello again. Right now, as I promised you before, okay, I announced in the other video. Right now, we're gonna share with you the steps to follow to activate and become a business partner. Okay, remember in the other video, you follow the steps to activate the new platform, your account in the new platform, and then when you finish that, if that's your choice, okay, and if you want to use and develop the business and follow the marketing program goal sets, achieve the leadership program, and use Fractal too. So you need to become a business partner. Okay, that's no expenses. Okay, it's free for you, but you need to activate that option. So in this video, let's follow the steps. Okay, you click on become a partner, and then you have some information to read carefully. Okay, that's very important. And then I want to become a business partner. Okay, no expenses, but you need to take the decision and accept that. Okay, it's an option, not an obligation. So after you do this, you have some information here. Okay, and then you click to next. Okay, what is a GIG business partner? Read carefully. Okay, then what are the products of the subscriptions? So we talked already on the other video, the business clusters you can do as a business partner. Then what are the remuneration of the marketing service? Okay, and you have here some steps, the marketing financial plan. Then as a business partner, you can use some documents, public documents, and you cannot use other kind of information and documents. Okay, so please be careful and use the official information. See on the website, talk to your clients and top leaders. Okay, follow the same strategy and the same information. Don't share negative information or a system under another system that become a pyramid system or Ponzi system. Okay, so be careful, because with the terms and conditions, GIG can block your accounts and you are not longer a business partner or a leader. Okay, the company can block you and cancel your order, your subscription. So follow the steps, okay, and see what you can do and what you cannot do as a business partner. Okay, so I beg you to take a clear attention on this. Okay, and when you finish, you arrive here, you just select this after you read the cooperation agreement, okay, between the GIGOS platform and you. Okay, the GIGOS platform is unregistered in Cyprus. Global iGoal is registered in London. Okay, and GIG Capital Limited for Fractal is registration in Spain, Tenerife. Okay, don't mix all the information. Cyprus is for the GIGOS platform registration. Okay, thank you. So when you finish this, okay, you move to next, and you finish the qualification and you activate the business partner. Then you have another option, as you can see, you have another option, okay, to follow. So best of luck, okay, and then it's activate. Okay, very simple, very simple. So enjoy the business, be happy with the health, okay, follow your dreams, achieve your goals, and on the top in 2020. See you soon again. Bye-bye.